If you've got one of these newer refrigerators, this one just happens to be a Whirlpool. It's got the 4 doors, and it has a display like this, and you notice that your water and ice is not working. I've got a quick solution for you. So the refrigerator that I have at home, I'm staying with relatives right now. The refrigerator I have at home is very basic. You just push in, there's no display, and the water and the ice come out. No big deal. When I got here, none of this was working. This is a new refrigerator for them, so they were having a difficult time figuring out what's going on. So the first thing I did was I checked that the filter here was installed correctly, and it actually wasn't, but that's not the issue. So you can check that though, just to make sure that that's locked in place as it should be. Once that's done, you want to get the display to light up. So with these things, if you just touch things, a lot of times nothing registers. You have to actually hold it. And what we're looking for is this right here. This is the lock feature. If you just press it, like unlock, unlock, nothing's going to happen. Hold it down. These will then cycle to 3, 2, 1. Now release, and then water will work again, and so will the ice. If your refrigerator is new and it just happened to have that locked when you got it, it's going to take about 3 hours for the to get your first batch of ice, but you should be good to go. So hopefully this helps somebody out with these new, more complicated refrigerators. Hold and press that lock button, and you should be all set. Thanks for watching.